Well, hey there, everybody. All right, so it is day 4 of our prep week, and I'm really excited to get things going on Monday with all of you. But the one thing that I said on Monday when I did my very first video was that I really want you to lean in to the preseason week and really make sure that you know exactly what you're going to do come Monday. There are a lot of you that as you were joining, this group that you said, I'm not really too sure what fitness program I'm going to do. I'm not really sure what nutrition plan that I'm going to follow. And I want to just tell you this, if you aren't 100% committed and excited about the plan you're going to do on Monday, you probably won't get started. Or you're going to just randomly go into Beachbody On Demand and you're going to do random workouts and it's going to feel random. And so I know that because that was me. I was that girl that would get a gym membership, go into the gym, do 10 minutes on the treadmill, 20 minutes on the stationary bike, lift a couple of free weights, do some abs, and then leave. And then I'd go home and eat ice cream. And I just, and because I didn't have a plan, because I had no idea if what I was doing was producing results, I really just never got results because I didn't have a plan to follow. The one thing for me, and a big reason why I do love Beachbody, is because every single program comes with a complete plan, from what workouts you're going to do on what days of the week, what nutrition plan you're going to follow, how much you're going to eat, and how you're going to track it. And so for me, it was a no-brainer. I could print off the workout calendar. I put it up on my board in my little workout space, or it can become the screensaver of your phone. And for me, I know exactly what workout I'm doing on what day that is going to help me get the results that I'm after. So what I want to do with you is I want to give you an overview, especially if this is the first time you're ever logging into Beachbody On Demand. I want to walk you through it. You can access On Demand from your iPad, from an iPhone, from your computer, anywhere that you have internet, you can get to Beachbody On Demand. When it comes to streaming your workouts, again, you can do that from an iPad, an iPhone, any smart TV, but the computer or your phone is the best way to go in and be able to kind of download and look at all of the features, all right? So I'm on the Beachbody On Demand screen, and basically you guys can all go there, log in with your username and password you use to buy your product. And so if you're first time in here, right, and let's say you're not quite sure exactly what program you want to do yet, I just want to walk you through at the top where there's these tabs. It says home and workouts, nutrition, community, blog, shop, help. So go to workouts, and then I want you just to play around with this. Let's just say you're a beginner, right? Maybe you've got 30, 40, 50 pounds to lose. Maybe you haven't worked out in a while, right? So I want you just to click beginner. Then you're going to go to the next tab and it says workout length. Tell me how long you want to work out for, 0 to 30 minutes, 30 to 60, you get to pick, right? So let's just say I'm fine with 30 to 60 minute workouts, right? Or 0 to 30. And then what you can say is, do I want to do cardio, a dance kind of cardio, low impact, muscle building, slim and tone, yoga? What do you want to do? So let's just say I'm going to do slim and tone, right? So I'm going to choose that. Then it gives you some featured programs. So these are the ones that are either brand new or maybe the most popular. So Shift Shop is right now on a promotion. We relaunched it with some new workout program, with some new exercises in there, some new trackers. So Shift Shop is one. Then we've got Lift 4, which is our 4-day-a-week lifting and cardio intervals, which is more of a flexible nutrition. It's good if you're just starting out and 4 days a week, maybe you're super busy and you don't want to commit to anything long. That would be a good one. 80-day obsession is a 97-day program. It's an hour long. It is definitely advanced. So you could work your way up to it if you wanted to try it a little more obsessed. So anyways, bottom line, we've picked our intensity, our workout length, and our program type. Now it's sorted everything below by our qualifications we put in there. So now if I say to myself, okay, my fitness level is beginner, right? My time length is 30 to 60 minutes. My type of workout I want to do is slim and tone. and I didn't pick a trainer, right? So now here is the programs that have been sorted for me, all right? So I can start 3-week yoga retreat, clean week. I can check out double time. I can check out the yoga studio, Tai Chang, or Project 2. Now let's go back here and let's play around with that again. Let's go to beginner or intermediate, right? I think most of us probably could choose something beginner or intermediate unless you are very limited in your mobility, all right? This is where I would suggest most of you kind of end up. So this gives us a little bit more options. So I always recommend the 21-day fix, especially for somebody that is new to Beachbody, that is new to our nutrition plans, that wants a well-rounded sort of strength training and cardio program. Their workouts are 30 minutes and the program is 3 weeks, right? So round 1 is 3 weeks, then you would do it again, and then you would graduate on to something else. So let's just click on the 21-day fix. Now it takes you to the workout list. But what I want you to see is, yes, these are the workouts, but I want to make sure you click on overview. And then you can see it's a 21-day program, 30 minutes. It is cardio, strength training, mixture of both, beginner and intermediate, right? So it kind of gives you a walkthrough. Now, go to program materials. When you click on program materials, it says start here. So what I want you to do is every program has this. So your job is to make sure you've read the program material. For me, I need to make sure I understand what I'm doing when I start a program. So if I clicked on that start here, this is my little guide. You can print this. You could save this image on your phone, but this tells you your workout calendar. Everyone should print off your workout calendar or take a picture of it, save it to the favorites of your phone, because on Monday, this is what you're going to do. On day 1, you will do total body cardio fix. You will do upper fix on Tuesday. You will do lower fix on Wednesday, Pilates on Thursday, cardio on Friday, Dirty 30 on Saturday, and yoga on Sunday. And it walks you through, all right? So I want to make sure everybody knows what workout they're going to do. And maybe you want to go watch the workout so you know what equipment you need, you know how big of a workout space you need. It's just you want to get a feel for what do I need on Monday morning so that I am ready to go. Step 2 for this program for 21-day fix is, now, if we were trying to lose weight, this is what we're trying to do. We need to figure out our targets, right? Our calorie targets. You're going to take your weight and you're going to times it by 11. That gives you your baseline. Then if you are, so it's saying you're going to burn about 400, calories per workout. This gives you your maintenance, right? So your second level. So if you're not trying to lose weight, if you want to maintain, you would stop there. That would be your bracket. If you want to lose weight, then you would do the third, and it's subtracting 750. That gives you your target. Now you decide you fall into plan A, B, C, or D, and then it actually tells you the number of containers you're going to eat per day. This is the most simplistic meal plan to follow, because if it can fit in a container, you can eat it. And when you're done eating all of your containers for the day, you are done for the day, right? And it's very easy to follow. Your goal is to eat small meals throughout the day, 3, 4, 5 meals a day, smaller meals a day, making sure you've got sort of a protein in there or a good fat, and then a veggie or a fruit. So anyways, we'll talk a little bit more about that, but I want you to figure out your calorie target. Then from there, you can read about the containers. Some of you are like, this is the first time ever I've seen these containers. I want you to make sure you go through here and read this, right? So it gives you an example of a day, so you can kind of see how it's laid out. There's the transformation tracker, which at this point, most of you should have done your weights and your weight and your measurements. And then what do you need for the workout? So you need a set of light and medium weights, 3 to 5 pounds or 8 to 10. Men a little bit more. Resistance bands are totally okay. I like weights better. Target has them. Any sporting goods stores, Walmart, right? You can get cheap weights. So this kind of walks you through the beginning part. So you can look at that. Then we're going to go back to Beachbody On Demand, and we're going to go to the next thing. Now, there is tally sheets that you can print out, or you could, track it on your phone through our Nutrition Plus app. But for me, I'm a paper and pencil person a lot of times. So I printed these off and I printed the manual and I walked around with this sucker. Every time I ate, I would track it. I would keep track of my containers every single day for the first month. I will tell you, after the first month of being disciplined to track my food, I started to just know, okay, this is how many containers I have left. This is what a portion size looked like. This tracking system teaches you fundamentals of what your plate should look like, how many servings you should get per day. It made me realize how many carbohydrates I was eating that I wasn't even realizing that I was eating, or that I was eating too big of portion size. Once you adopt these principles, you can take it with you for the rest of your life and you'll be able to really eyeball it after a while. But track it. It's really important to track. Then you've got your calendar. That's the same little workout calendar. Here is all of your nutrition. Hear me. 80% of your results come from what you eat. So please, please, please make sure you go through and you look at all of these things so that you know exactly what you're supposed to be eating throughout the day. All right, so if I go into 21-day fix, program materials, nutrition, I don't know why mine's coming up as locked at the moment. I'll have to play around with that. But then it gives you your food lists in there. It gives you your toolkit, right? It's going to give you example eating plans, vegan plans, 3-day quick fix, which is sort of like I want to shred a few pounds really quickly. This gives you like a real basic drilled down plan. FAQ, there's even some Spotify playlists, and then you can actually listen to the workouts in other languages as well. All right. So awesome, right? This is super duper awesome. And I want everybody to check it out. Now, if we go back to the home screen, you can see every single workout is listed in here. All right. So if I go to workouts, I can see them all. So you can go down through and you can say, what is this lift 4 about? You can click on lift 4. You could play one of the workouts. You can watch a workout here at the top by hitting this play button. You can look at all the program materials and you can ask questions. So take the time to go through and number 1, figure out your program. Number 2, if you are, nutrition is a big part of it. Most people say to me all the time, I just don't know, I just stink at the nutrition, right? And so let me go in here, log in. I already have an account. I don't know why it's making me enter my password again, but I do have a password. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh, here we go. No, it's still doing that. Okay. So anyways, I don't know why it's not recognizing mine at the moment, but I'll have to figure that out. But 2B Mindset, if you bought 2B Mindset, then you would have access to that. But the nutrition channel, because you have Beachbody On Demand, you get the Fix 8 cooking show. There's a ton of Shakeology recipes in here. It talks about the Nutrition Plus app, and it gives you recipes. So I would encourage you to also come in here and take a look at the Fix 8. There are some great videos on, prepping your kitchen, your containers, like a 101 on your containers, a pantry raid, meal prep, all sorts of like really awesome ways for you guys to get yourselves prepared. If you're doing 2B Mindset, start watching those videos. But everything you need to be successful, from the fitness to the nutrition, and then the support that I'm giving you in this accountability group, you have it all. All you have to do is start taking in the information, making a list of questions, and then asking the questions that you have. All right. So what I want you to do today is, in the comments below, I want you to comment what fitness program you're going to do and any questions that you have. I want you to be committed. I want you to tell me why you picked that program. And I would like for you to start reviewing the materials. When you watch this video, click done and answer those questions. I'll know that you're paying attention. And I will be sure to, throughout the day today, to answer any and all questions that you guys have. All right. Okay. Happy Thursday, and I will see you guys later.